Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram for Century 2 na Super Bounce 2024. May malapit na ang finals. At nag-like pa nga si Alden Richard sa post ni Catherine sa Instagram. May pangalan ni Alden at sa aking kapatid ni Alden na si Angel. Yung active. Mag-like. You know. Yan na yung full video ni Catherine for Colgate. And Catherine enters her fresh confidence era with Colgate. Yan na yung commercial ni Catherine. At yan pa yung watch party ni Catherine kagabi.
Maganda kasi yung song naman ng play. Okay. Pero before, I used to be super shy. Like, I don't know how to start a conversation. Lalo pag di ko kilala.
Tingin ko pag
shy. Mukhang shy ba?
Oo, parang pag...
Pares sila ni Alden eh.
Kumbaga, she just answers the question. Parang ganun.
Isang sagot. Ako naging extrovert. Sobrang late bloomer before, especially my teenage years, 16 until mga, kahit yung mga nag-early 20s ako eh. Sobrang shy girl.
Ay, sika pa lang nga, alam na nila.
Alam agad nila.
Sobra. And I'm so happy for you. You know, welcome dun sa #fresh confidence era with Colby.
Thank you, thank you. I'm just very excited and I'm very happy, especially in this new year of my life. Colgate has become my confidence buddy and tinulungan niya ako to explore and achieve new things in life. So, yeah, exciting times and excited ako kung ano pa yung mga gagawin kong campaigns and projects with Colgate.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm just very great. And then after nun, sabi ko, okay, kaya ko pala maging masaya kahit mag-isa ka, mag-travel. And then after nun, sabi ko, okay, kaya ko pala maging masaya kahit mag-isa ka, mag-travel. I feel like every actor has their own parang story to tell na iba-iba yung naging journey namin. For sure, ikaw din. Iba din mundo yung hosting. Iba din yung mundo sa amin, diba, as celebrity, as an actor. It's a whole new different world. So, swerte ko lang siguro because my family has been very supportive. I have a good set of friends, non-showbiz and showbiz, my team. So, ang daming factors, hindi lang ako to. All the success and failures, ito yung mga kasama kong tao along the way, and I value them so much. So sila siguro, I share this with my team and with everybody, and my fans, of course. I feel most confident when I fight for what is right, or for what I believe in. I think that's very empowering, diba? As a woman, as a person, ang galing na if you make decisions, whether maging successful yun or not, you know, you just know na you followed your.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung na-update. Tara po ang Nuture Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.